In today's video, I'll show you how you can rename a preset in FxSound. So let's get started. So here we have FxSound, and from here, you just simply need to navigate here on the top left, wherein you'd be able to click on that and see all of the preset that you have in here. So just simply choose the preset that you'd want to rename. So in my case, I'll go for no effect preset that I have here at the very bottom. So I'm going to click on it. And now, once you've clicked on it, then it should now load the preset in here. And all that's left is to click here on this 3 horizontal bars icon on the top right. And click on Rename Preset and just enter your preset name or new preset name right here. So I'm going to go for new name for preset. Let's say something like that. Now you want to hit enter and it will now be saved. And you can see right here, it says preset, new name for preset. So it is now saved and now the name is now changed or renamed. And that's how you can rename a preset in FxSound.